amid new reports that Pasadena-based Judge Alex Kozinski groped women, including a law student. An East Coast federal appeals court was assigned Friday to conduct an investigation. The Washington Post reported Friday that 9 more women have complained of improprieties by Kozinski, including 4 who said he touched them improperly. An unidentified former law student at the University of Montana, now 33, told the Post that Kozinski touched her breast last year during a reception. UC Irvine law professor Leah Littman said he touched her leg and pinched her at a dinner in July. An unidentified lawyer said Kozinski hugged and kissed her on the lips in 2008 after finding her alone in a room at a legal event. Christine C. Miller, 73, a retired federal judge, told the Post that Kozinski squeezed each of her breasts after she told him she did not want to have with him during a drive in the mid-1980s. With almost daily reports of new allegations, Chief Justice John G. Roberts assigned judges from the U.S. Second Circuit Court of Appeals on Friday to investigate Kozinski. Roberts acted at the request of Sidney Thomas, Chief Judge of the Ninth Circuit, who made the complaint after multiple media outlets reported charges of inappropriate behavior by Kozinski, a longtime Ninth Circuit jurist. The Post first reported that a former law clerk said Kozinski asked her to look at photography about 10 years ago and showed her a list of partners he and his friends had in college. That clerk was among 6 clerks or externs who complained to the Post of improprieties. On Friday, the Post said the number of women making charges had grown to 15. Susan Estrick, a lawyer for Kozinski, read the Post's statement from Kozinski. "Many of the things that are being said about me are simply not true, but I deeply regret that my unusual sense of humor caused offense or made anyone uncomfortable," the paper quoted him as saying in the statement. At least 2 of Kozinski's law clerks resigned on Thursday, according to a source knowledgeable about the situation. That source, who requested anonymity because of a professional connection with Kozinski, said it was almost unheard of for a circuit judge's clerk to resign from such a prestigious position midway through the term. Ninth Circuit spokesman David Madden said he could confirm only that 1 or more Kozinski clerks resigned. Each active Ninth Circuit judge has 4 law clerks. They research the law for the judges, and some help draft the jurists' legal rulings. The spots are highly coveted and generally given only to top law school graduates. A clerkship for Kozinski has been especially prized because the Reagan appointee is considered a brilliant jurist who can get his clerks even more prestigious positions working for U.S. Supreme Court justices. Kozinski could be reprimanded by the federal court system or asked to resign. He can be removed only by Congress. In 2009, a committee of judges of the U.S. Third Circuit Court of Appeals admonished Kozinski for being judicially imprudent and exhibiting poor judgment. Kozinski asked for the investigation after the Times reported that his private server containing newly explicit material was accessible to the public. Kozinski said he hadn't realized members of the public could get access to the server. Caption More.Dolan at lawtimes.com, Twitter at More Dolan.